Okay, beta, we have studied about the structure of the skin. Now we are going to see how these different parts which are present in skin, they help in maintaining our body temperature. Right? We are going to discuss one by one. अभी बेटा हमने इसमें blood vessels देखी है, there are blood vessels present. ठीक है, स्किन में हमने देखा है कि blood vessel is present, hair is present, capillaries are present, blood vessels, nerve endings are present, and sweat gland is also present. Erector muscle is also present, sebaceous glands are also present. अच्छा, अब हम इसमें जो है पहले हम blood capillaries को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Blood vessels, these blood vessels are actually being formed from the arterioles. Arteries divide to form arterioles. These are coming from the heart, and then they ultimately form the capillaries, which are in the dermal part of the skin. अच्छा बेटा, ये जो capillaries हैं, these are guided by vasomotor nerve. इनकी जो contraction है, relaxation है, that is guided by vasomotor nerve. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब बेटा ये क्या करते हैं, इन समर एंड विंटर they contract and relax. Vasodilation is there are two phenomena. अच्छा, one is vasodilation. ठीक है, इसमें बेटा देखें, there is vasoconstriction and vasodilation. What is vasoconstriction? Vasoconstriction is the constriction or narrowing of these blood capillaries, blood vessels, which are present into the dermal part of the skin. इसमें when they will be narrow, there will be less blood flowing, and that because of that less blood, less heat will be flowing. As these blood capillaries are closer to the skin, so less heat will be dissipated or removed from the body, right? And when we have to preserve the heat in winter, we have to preserve the heat, so less heat should be removed from our body. So this vasoconstriction actually occurs in winter to maintain the body temperature or preserve the heat in our body. This vasoconstriction occurs in winter, in which blood vessels constrict, they become narrow, less blood flows and less heat is dissipated from the body. Opposite occurs in summer, that is the vasodilation. In vasodilation, opposite happens, blood vessels become wider, they relax, and more blood flows into these blood vessels. More blood flows, more means that more heat is being carried to this part of the blood, more heat is carried to this part. As these are closer to the skin, so more heat is removed from the body. And when we have to remove or release more heat from the body in summer, when there is more heat in our side body, so more heat should be removed to bring the temperature of the body back to the normal. So these two phenomena occur in winter and summer through vasoconstriction and vasodilation, which helps in maintaining the body temperature. This is actually the role of blood vessels in maintaining body temperature. Next is hair. Tonight we have seen hair that is produced by sinking the epidermal layer into the dermal layer, and there is a hole produced which is known as the hair follicle, tube into which the hair grows. Right, and how this helps in maintaining body temperature, we saw that there is an erector muscle. Can you see, this is the erector muscle, and this erector muscle is actually connected to the hair follicle, right? When this erector muscle will contract, right, when it will contract, it will straighten up the hair into the hair follicle. Tube will be erect and hair will also be erect. It will be in the straight position. All hair will be in the straight position. Now, what will be the benefit of this erection of the muscles? Do you feel in winter sometimes we see that all our hairs are straight or erected? Have you girls noticed this?
No, miss.
We all have बेटा noticed, आप सर्दियों में देखते हैं कि हमारे जो हेयर हैं वो इरेक्ट हो जाते हैं। स्किन पर, हमारे स्किन पर जो हेयर है उसमें बेटा यू माइट हैव सीन कि हमारे स्किन पर जो हेयर है वो इरेक्ट हो जाते हैं।